Hello Xbox gamers, how are you guys? Well, you have two consoles, you want to save your game data so you be able to play on the second console. How can you do it? Well, if you have a home console and you want to play where you left the game, for example in Grand Theft Auto 5, and you want to play at home, and in your office you want to play where you left the games. Well, I've been putting myself this question and I'm gonna show you how to do this. So for example guys, let's do a save first, and I will show you to the first console, from the first console to the second console, how can you make the autosave. Basically it's very simple. The console with autosave, you don't have to copy the profile to your USB. You have instead to be connected to the live. You don't got to have the gold activated. You just need to be connected to the internet and have a Microsoft account. For example, let's buy to travel this, have decent clothes, and now when we will get out from this store, it will save this data. If you see in the right corner, it was the save. Now let's go into the second console. Let's put in HDMI 2 in the second console. And now it was already opened, and now let's see how is the automatic synchronization, because both consoles are connected to live. The most important aspect is you got to sign in to your account with the same account that you have in the first console, and now it will automatically synchronize where you save the data. And this is pretty much it, guys. It's a simple operation. You got to put the same account to both consoles and you will play where you left the game. Hope it helps you guys. Hope it will. So if it did, please thumbs up for us and subscribe to our channel, because we'll have a lot of videos, tutorials, ideas free for you. Thumbs up for us guys. Have a great day. See you guys. Bye.